Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So few days now, this video, this picture and everything about the killing of this guy has been trending, and this is my first time of talking about it. A lot of people have sent me the link. Are you aware? Have you seen this? And I have seen that. In fact, if you count people that have access to the video, in 1 hour after the whole thing on social media, I think I will count myself. I saw it as early as possible. But there's something there's something I want us to understand in life. Oh, if you don't know where to start and how to go about it. This one I know where to start, to be honest, but I felt so bad about the whole thing because it is difficult to talk about a problem that you actually know the solution, but people that will help you, or people that are supposed to know the solution, are pretending, or they're shying away, or they're acting ignorant of this problem. Because there's no way you know the solution if you don't understand the problem. First thing you need to do is to understand the problem first, then the solution will now follow. But anytime you have a problem, anytime at all you are facing a problem and you refuse to understand the problem, for you to provide solution will be very, very difficult. Nigeria is a country that in the southern part, people will die like chicken, like this. Nothing will happen. Police, law enforcement agents, and whatever, even this judiciary, everybody will be very, very, very active. That is when judgment, plays its role. But in the same country, Fulani people are carrying, rifle. Remember the reason why they hold this guy and buy that guy instantly. Buy him instantly simply because no way luggages, or what they call parcel, that there's under his name, and they find out catapult and gravel. Listen very carefully. In the same southeast, or in the same eastern part of Nigeria, Biafra land, of course, if Fulani people will be caught with a rifle, they will hand them over to police for investigation. A call from above, from Abuja, will come and say release them. Security agencies in the eastern part will see them and they will not fire them. Even the so-called police force, whatever they call it, anti-robbery or whatever they call themselves. Of course, SARS in disguise. We even have access to them and let them go. My question is, our people, are they acting out of ignorance, or they are just naturally stupid? The guy that put the guy happened to be another now. All the soldiers, all the police force there, are they also northerner? And why must we face Boko Haram in uniform as a normal thing? Why? Let us be clear. When you hear police brutality, it is practically on the southern part of Nigeria, which comprises of Yoruba land and Igbo land and other minority group, not northern part. You may have maybe a little case, just minor one, in the north. A country that even NEPA officers don't have right to cut people's light. In the north, the committee will mobilize and attack the NEPA agent. Ask people that live in the north, they will tell you a lot of stories. They hardly pay for the electricity. They believe that government is one to provide it because they are practicing feudal system. Yoruba land, monarchical system of government. Eastern part, republican system of government. But they want to form a one country. When you talk, they say that you are bringing division. It shocked me hearing, each time I hear people, lawyers and people that are supposed to be educated, saying that it pisses them off when they hear people talking about division of Nigeria because of one thing like that. The question is, how long are you going to live in denial? How long? How long are you going to live in denial? Because everything is playing out People have noticed what these were doing, and people are shying away from this truth. They know, people know the truth, but who among them have the courage to condemn it the way it's supposed to be condemned? The only way out, I'm telling you, not because I'm a Biafra, not because I'm an Igbo, but that's just what it is. Division, separation is the only way. The more you are trying to pass this, the more you are supporting killing of people. Let me just be clear to you. The more you are supporting Nigerian to be this, the more you are pushing people to die like this. Like that's all. A northerner that have no feelings about you in the south will easily pull trigger and buy somebody. But when you catch, if you caught any Fulani people holding rifle, of course, with even knife and all that, even though they have this history of buying people all over the country, out of fear, state security agencies or even vigilante will carry them and go and hand them over to police. Look at the people in the police now. The guy that put you guys in northerner. So by the time you bring a northerner that they caught with rifle in the eastern part, killing people, of course, their brother in the police will not protect them and, of course, hurriedly send them back to north. But this guy have the audacity in Igbo land to pull trigger and buy this young man. I know some of them will say, oh, it's not an Igbo land, it's not an Igbo land, it's Delta. This video, if you are like that, this video is not for you. Because we say you put the reality where it's supposed to be. We say it the way it is. All this nonsense going on is being sponsored by many of you. Nasubia. The guy is no longer here. They have taken his life in a very brutal way, in a very ugly way. After protests and complaints, then what? The system that enable this kind of killers, hired assassins, to have state license to carry out rifle, buying people at will. The system is there. It's not going to end, because that is what enabled this jihadist movement to continue. Those of you waiting for Britain to talk, Britain also is looking for helper. Britain is actually looking for people to help them, because they are allowing themselves, because of the quest of natural resources and pretense to build one community, when you know that these guys have been radicalized, their mindset is no longer the same. He is a Muslim, Usman or whatever. Look at him having tattoo all over his body. Very easy, very determined to pull trigger. If you have noticed, when before he shot the guy, he tried and the thing did not go. He have to change the magazine. He have to bring another chamber just to fix it to continue. And he did. Another colleague beside him was helping him to load it and to select the good one. Look at his face when he go back to the video and watch his face. How he determined to get it done. The question is, how long are you going to allow this kind of thing to happen? When we talk about freedom, Biafran restoration, Biafran total freedom and recognition, some of you begin to pee in your pants. But today, you are crying, it's not going to solve any issue. You have to be realistic to yourself. That does not mean that I hate other tribe. What it means is actually I even care about other tribe. Because today, the guy that Biden is not an Igbo guy. I think he's a robot, something like that. But killing is wrong. Killing people, it is one of the dangerous things to, like, and for you to know that this guy is a monster, you buy this guy in the presence of everybody. He was even begging, allow me, I'm going to show you. I will take you there. So you see the person that actually sent this, so that more investigation will be carried out. But guess what? This guy must have told this man the name of the person that sent him, and he may have knowledge of the link up and everything, but the thing has exposed. He may not want the people that they are working with them to be exposed by this guy. The easiest way to eliminate that information is to execute this guy. For this guy to pull trigger in the manner which he did shows that this guy is linked up to that package. That you can't tell me otherwise. He's linked to that package. How can he not be linked to the package when it is obvious that the guy was begging you, I will show you, please, don't kill me, please, officer, please. I beg, I will take you to Uyere. I beg, I will take you to Uyere. The man was begging with everything in him, yet he put trigger. Every sensible officer, police officer or security agents would love to know more details, more information, more link up to the package. If actually that package is found guilty. But as the way Nigeria is being structured today, nobody should be killed for having any rifle, any gun. Why? Because we have a deadly group that hold the rifle and that bind people at will. How can you justify that? How can you explain that to people? Hear what Harrison said here.
Listen. I'm telling you now, you don't know what is inside the way B.
Wait, B, like they send something.
They send, like when person send you way B. Don't send me say, I bet you go pick up way B for park. I will see the boy go pick up.
You know why they say make it carry their go sapele?
Yeah.
So
this Usman, so that's a now bad person. Maybe
you know what made them know get the way B.
Maybe I'm telling you now, what the guy yeah. So the guy say carry me go sapele. So now that way be so. What did they send? I
come. My friend send me.
My person send them. I go send him message. I bet you go pick up way before God is good. I go for a park. Now what this guy go do so? I pick up way be so. Where they go now they go home. Because if I say you go way, you know go open and not, you know what's inside.
And the boy no know.
So they taking this boy now too.
Okay.
So as soon as say they not kill this boy, they can't go station go do investigation. And the boy don't say maybe they can't go start play. Person will send them. You understand?
You don't say name now Begbe. He can't Begbe the boy.
Now so they don't you know they kiss him.
You don't they Begbe they come.
This one I go be the last killing where they kiss him. Because you know if this not too much now. I go kill person when you say you know they try open up tell you say see what thing happen. What explain to you? Now, not only that, after you stand for that place, finish, if you never die, you, the people inside Siena, not only other officers, there are about 5 of them inside Siena. As they reach the area command office, where ACP Aliu Shaba the head, I saw this same plan again. So, Usman, Nuhu, constant fire like three shots from station. Come to the boy finally. So it's all early, but don't make the boy come, make the boy talk what happened. How then this time go collect the baby. The dead go fit talk against you. How you want to talk? To tell us how they take send down that way be. Who send down the way be? This Usman.
What if now one of the officers send down?
Who know now Usman send down say go collect the way be. And the whole army just come. Finish the guy happy.
And now so they come out the guy for RRS. So.
This Usman?
Yes. From RRS they can go Ila.
He did work with us before now.
Yes.
You know say now where them ban us because of this
issue
will happen now.
See the picture.
The same thing now too.
Okay. Begbe.
This one we no go take it lightly you. We not take it lightly at all. The death of this boy. If people don't say that criminal, at least because you don't be confused. You say person I send down. Maybe you don't even know whether they want to be inside that place.
Yes, sir. We must stand in
now
solidarity.
For that way be now.
Men are now.
Yeah.
Nobody keep for worrying.
Yeah.
You know that we must stand in solidarity now. I don't stand for social media so now.
Okay, Samo, they don't talk sense so. Everywhere quiet me yesterday.
Now, so they don't kill the person yesterday. So stand the step.
They don't fire and go.
So I would say we not just
stop today.
Now we don't lock up the whole matter. No, nah.
Who made that video? Now God will bless you. Who made that video? God will bless you. Like God will bless you. And as not hide your face, you come and say, which you share the video for us to post them. Like God will bless you.
We must stop extrajudicial killing in Delta.
Like God will bless you so. Like God
have this. It's not the second, it will be the last.
No.
Wow, did you hear that? Even when they brought after shooting this guy publicly, they took his, he's not even dead at that point in time. I was thinking that the guy already gave up. They carried that guy to their station and later fired him about 3 extra shots. This man knows everything about that package. That is my conclusion. Please let me know what you think about the whole thing, because it is funny and very, very sad. I don't know if you have watched the video of the mother. I don't need to put it here because it's heartbroken as well. Just imagine that. And according to the story, his elder brother was actually killed in a similar way. Something must be, yeah, so must be something is going wrong somewhere. If truly his elder brother was killed in this manner as well. So I don't know, but whichever way, Usman should be also sent to Chukwuka. That is my uncle. If I have my way, like maybe if it's let's assume that Nigeria is a country, Usman is not gonna be, he's not gonna be free. But guess what? the guy has no, he already know the country belongs to them. And how can you navigate your way from this? By making sure that you distance yourself from anything that will connect you with these people that have radicalized them. They have radicalized themselves and they have determined to do the unthinkable. Think about it and be free. Because if you don't, you may be not you, but who may know the next person. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. God bless you and take care of yourself.